Kitchenaid Refrigerator Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Kitchenaid refrigerator repair that consists of Kitchenaid refrigerator freezer repair and Kitchenaid French door refrigerator repair, along with all other Kitchenaid refrigerator models. Is your Kitchenaid refrigerator not cold enough, or your refrigerator's water dispenser is not working? Possibly your refrigerator's ice maker is not working, or your refrigerator is not defrosting. Maybe your refrigerator is noisy or loud, or your refrigerator is having a defrost drain problem, or you have a refrigerator that's leaking water. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.